Travel is not about the destination. It's about the journey, where we experience genuine emotions, explore the unknown, and believe in the good. Yutong makes every trip even more wonderful. Yutong Bus is the world's leading bus builder by sales volume. It boasts over 50 years of bus manufacturing experience and provides safe, reliable products and solutions for various segments, including city bus, long-distance coach, tourism coach,
school bus, special mobility, etc.
Dedicated to R&D and creating value with quality. We invest more than 7% of our annual revenue in R&D and establish a special bus test center and many other state-level R&D platforms. All corners of Yutong have witnessed the soaring development of the global bus industry. We took the lead to launch battery electric buses with independent intellectual property rights. We have developed the U-Series high-end battery electric buses and T-Series high-end battery electric coaches. We have mastered key technologies in battery, traction motor, and electric control, and maintained our leading position in industrialization. We have an unparalleled standing in the global new energy bus market. We are protecting Mother Earth. With our over 170,000 new energy buses marketed so far. Manufacturing excellence to gain customers' trust. We improve the quality of each model with intelligent production mode and internationally advanced manufacturing process. We take the lead in adopting internationally advanced vehicle electrophoresis line. The coordination of multiple systems in the production process is applied to monitor and regulate the entire production process and ensure life cycle quality management. As we have promised, do not take the market as the testing ground. Repay customers for their trust with sincere services. We continuously upgrade our service model and improve the professional level of services. We have built an integrated service platform covering pre-sales, sales, and after-sales. We have over 1,800 after-sales service providers around the world to deliver worry-free services. In France, we built our largest spare part warehouse in Europe to provide customers with more reliable operation experience. Embrace the world and win hearts with strength. Our products are globally available. Today, over 87,000 Yutong buses run on roads globally. We top the world in terms of new energy bus sales. In Europe, we contribute to green mobility. A total of 224 e-buses are operated in Norway to create better green mobility experience. In the UK, 55 Yutong battery electric buses have served COP26. Xiaoyu 2.0 has won German Red Dot Award, the Oscar of Design and Community. A number of models have won Bus World Awards. Yutong has achieved a lot during its European market expansion. In the Middle East, 888 units of Yutong battery electric buses serve the top football tournament in Qatar as part of our comprehensive electric public transit solutions for Qatar to help the local transformation of green public mobility. Yutong Bus won the certificate of NEV Pioneer in Gulf region. In Latin America, Yutong joined hands with the Chilean public transit partner in establishing Team Zero to promote low-carbon mobility. 301 units of dual-powered trolley buses were sold to Mexico. setting a benchmark for the promotion of such a vehicle in Latin America and even the world. In CIS, we have integrated actively into the development of local public mobility. Yutong battery electric buses, CNG vehicles, and other products were exported in batches to create better travel experience for local people. In Africa, Asia Pacific, in more places, on more occasions, Yutong is with you on the way forward as we review the milestones we hit during our global development. We wish to contribute to better mobility in the world, together with more countries. Remain true to our original aspiration and unite the team with culture. Under the management philosophy of employee orientation and customer orientation, we act with integrity and make steady efforts to improve customer satisfaction and employee well-being. We actively fulfill our social responsibility, undertake responsibilities of building a community with a shared future for mankind, to contribute to the success of our global partners. Facing the future, we keep exploring more mobility options and innovatively drive the future with intelligence. We aim to empower cities with integrated solutions based on 5G-enabled intelligent driving and IOV technology. Bring the benefits of public transport to all. Instead of the globally leading titles, we are more proud of the breakthroughs and contributions we make to the global bus industry and our mission and vision to bring better travel services to all. In China, in the world, one Yutong.
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 Yutong. Yutong.